precious or important documents in need of self-storage? Don't worry, Storage Carlisle will help. We provide storage that is fit for a king or queen. Our storage units are of the highest quality, based in Cumbria. We can care and we will give the utmost of respect to your items, no matter what they be. They could be sentimental, they could be documents, they could be house moves. Whatever it is that you're storing, Storage Carlisle will safely and securely look after those items, and for the right price. You know where we are? Give us a call or go online at www.storagecarlisle.com. We will provide the best service that there is. Storage Carlisle, hear from you soon.